Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So this video is for all our Morocco lovers. MashaAllah, today we are on the Mirleft beach. Mirleft is about 2 hours away from Agadir. So Agadir is a popular tourist location, resort and beach. So many people don't know about this place. They come to Agadir, but it's not far, it's about 2-hour drive. You can see, mashallah, even for February, it's quite a warm day, 21 degrees, and the sea is very clear. So right in front of me, if you were to carry on, you would come to the Canada Islands, and on our right, this side, if you were to continue, would see Spain, Portugal, which would be the next island, parts of Europe. MashaAllah, we can see the tide coming in now. And Morocco is connected to Mali, Senegal, Mauritania. MashaAllah, we can see beautiful tide there. So it's a very nice drive as well. We set off early this morning about 9 o'clock, and we had a bit of a pit stop at some souks and bazaars. So 2 hours, 2 hour 20 minutes max. Inshallah, I definitely recommend it, especially in the summer. I think it would be beautiful, this place. Jazakallah khairan.